Okay. When we doing highlights, I like to really show off. So when they show off, it means they put their hair up. You can see the strand going through. So that's why you need to have your thin section right around this area. Most of the time, what I do is I section it down into an angle like this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's what I do. I section it down to an angle like this. But on a real head of hair will be easier. But on a mannequin it's gonna be hard. Okay. So that's why when you do, you divide this into like that. Okay. This is a thin section right here. So what you do is you weave in. You take a chunk, weave in.
How many chunk for?
It depends on how much hair, how wide, how much hair that they have. So it depends on how much hair. So you see, I weave. So this depends on how much hair you have to kind of see. Okay, now you take this chunk up.
Vậy rồi sao mà đi thi đậu trời?
इसको बोले पहले हमको चंक निकालने की प्रैक्टिस तो करो.
Bữa vậy rồi. Bữa chiều mai chia ba nhớ ra rõ.
So that's why when they pull their hair up, then they can see that stripe that's going like this. And it's very pretty. So remember, this is called weaving. Weaving. Yeah, and you need to angle. You see this nape right here, this hairline, it has to be like this, angle.
Okay.
And then after that, we'll take it straight and straight, keep going up. But right now it's angled. Why? Because we make sure that all the hair, when they pull it up or they updo, you can see this highlight. And you put this highlight.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna. Can you come down here? I guess I had to sit down so this way I can really see what I'm doing because I'm standing and. Okay. You see, if we divide this, it's gonna be dark. Maybe turn that way. Maybe turn the other way. So that's why you can. You can stay on the side. Okay, I need the light for Amira to do her video. Okay, see? I divide it out. I hold this. Okay, I weave into a chunk. If I want a chunk, I weave into a chunk. See how thick it is?
So Miss Kathy, depend
How much highlight,
chunky.
how chunky that they really want. If they want it chunky, this is what I do. Okay? This is what I do. You see, that's what it looked like. But if they want it thin, then we can do it thin. If they want it thin, and then it depends. Thin is blending. See, it's thinner. It's blending more. But to me, right now, updated. A lot of people don't doing it thin anymore. They do like chunky highlight. So this is what I do. I go in and I do that. Especially that people that have long hair. Okay. I put this in that corner right there. And I take my product. I go in real close. Go in real close. Hold this, bring this down. Bring it down. Okay. Okay, you take this and you fold it up right there. Okay? If I have a rat tail comb, then all I need to do is I go in and I'll press and it's folded. Okay? And now I turn around, I'm doing the same thing on this side. you can do this section all the way up, and most of the time I turn around, I do it on this side. Okay, I let a piece of it go. Look, I already take that little middle piece right here, so I'm gonna pass one chunk right there, and I go on with the next one. Okay. Bring it down. You're doing the same thing, real close. Hold it. Have enough. You have to have enough product in. See, if you don't have enough product in, then it's not gonna hold. Okay. So we have two sections. So now we're doing the same thing. And right now, what I do is I just cut. Okay, it depends on how thick.
Hello,
I just,
Miss Kathy.
okay, see?
But slow.
Okay, see? We take the same thing, quarter an inch. Okay, we put down about half an inch to 3/4 inch, and then we take 1/4 again. Out here we already have this chunk from the beginning, and now I just kind of skip one and I do the next one. And then I'll skip the middle. See, I skip the middle. This boy is a little bit big, but we can make the boy, you know. Okay, here, see, you fold it. That's it, and then keep go down. You keep going down. Remember 3/4 inch, and then put this up. Take 1/4. Again, now I'm going out here doing my chunk. Okay. No, that's too short. You have to have long enough. You cannot have it. Okay. Don't try to press this when you fold it. You fold it to the side like that, but do not try to press this, because when you press, it means you folding that hair, and it's have that little gap that you don't wanna see it there. Okay. Again, we take 3/4 in. Most of the time, that's what I do. If I want a lot of highlight, I like to take 3/4 inch or ½ inch. It depends. This is 3/4 inch. I bring it up, and then I'll take 1/4 again. Okay, now I'm going here. I'll do my chunk again. So you have to kind of work with it and see where you have it. Okay, go down. Take your product, bring it in right here. Hold this. Remember, what are you wearing? What I have on here is this mark application, so that means I have some conditioner on. So I don't wear my glove, but you guys have to wear what? Gloves. Gloves, okay. Doing the same thing again. Take it out. Okay, now I want everybody go back and do this for me. Do one side for me to see.
But I have a practice for the chunk.
Can I use the chunk?
Practice for the chunk.
Chunk, yeah. I have no practice for the chunk.
You can practice the chunk over there
Then
too.
I use
But show this front part and everything. Then
Okay, wait.
I'm lefty.
Okay. Remember, this is very important right here. When you already have your highlight right here, you hold this up and you're doing your chunk. This means this highlight is all meshed together. So you need to have your hair down. Some of the hair you take you see, you have one layer that
Make a two
cover,
parts and
yes.
then we-
And then subtraction this one, and do your chunk, big chunk. You weed in big chunk or you do in small chunk. You take your hair, move your hand out here, so that's where you can easy to move. Don't put your hair up here and then you go in there. It's gonna be hard for you. So just bring it out, so that's where you can really see what you're doing. Okay.
Because I practice them.
Yeah.